Alright, Valentine's Day is coming up, so we are going to do a quick how to draw a love potion bottle. Alright, so you're going to get your paper. You're going to hold your paper vertical. Follow my lead. I am using a Sharpie so that you can follow the lines and see them when I draw, but you use a pencil and please draw light, so if you erase, the lines will go away, and then afterwards you can outline in black and then color it. So the first shape at the top of the paper, we're going to draw a skinny oval right at the top middle of your paper. Then we're going to draw a line parallel to the bottom of the oval, real close, just like that. That is the edge of the cork. Okay, a straight line going down, short straight line going down. We're going to do another oval size curved line. And another one under it, real close, and connect. Straight line going down again. Okay, this one's going to go down just a little bit more. Alright, this is the neck of the bottle. Neck of the bottle, I want it to connect. Instead of a string, I have a little bead string, like this has little beads on it. That's what this is. Okay, we're going to do a backwards letter C shape. This is the tag. Backwards letter C shape that is parallel. And now we're going to put our pencil on this side of the line and go around like a letter O and then connect to the other side. Alright. Small line that way, small line this way. This is the tag. I'm going to do a wavy line like this, parallel to this one, and then connect. Alright, next shape, we're going to do a diagonal line. So if you need a ruler, get a ruler, but if you don't, you can do a straight line freehand. We're going to make a diagonal line going out, and then this side I'm going to start where the tag is, and I'm going to make another diagonal line going out to the right, but try to make sure that the lines are even when they go across like that. So stop here and then stop on this side where it's pretty even, like that. So if you were to draw a straight line, it's even. Alright, now I'm going to do a diagonal line going in, diagonal line going in, smiley face from this point to this point, and then go down one, short line going down, and then another smiley face. Alright. The liquid that is inside the bottle, you're going to do a smiley face from this point to this point. Then you're going to do a frown face from this point to this point. You're going to stop though. To make it look three-dimensional, you're going to add a bubble. And then you're going to continue the frown face. There. So we're doing that just to make it look three-dimensional, overlapping. There's overlap. Add a couple of bubbles inside because the love potion is bubbling up. Okay, we're going to do some highlights inside the liquid right here when we color it. That's going to be left white, just to show some highlights. A couple of bubbles down here. I'm going to do a line here, just to show some shadow. So this part's going to be colored dark red. This part's lighter red, and this is real light. So when you color, use lights and darks. Pay attention to the original and use lights and darks. So get your color pencils or your crayons. Pay attention to how light one area is, how dark another one is. If you want to leave it on the table, you make a line going across here, line going across here. It looks like it's sitting on a table. This is a cork. Short line here, short line here. So that's the cork on the bottle. So go ahead and have fun color. Get your color pencils or crayons and color. Thank you for watching this video. Love potion for Valentine's Day. Write your name on the little tag. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more fun videos how to draw with lines and shapes.